Get into the 2019 Toyota Highlander. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Give your family this spacious, efficient Highlander and start building your road trip memories. You'll love its smooth riding, quiet cabin, excellent durability, responsive performance, and ample cargo space, as well as its safety and driver assistance technology. With a flexible interior that seats up to 8, you'll be ready for a world of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC, aluminum wheels, third row seat, Bluetooth connection. Whether you need a spacious cargo hauler or a refined road trip cruiser, this Highlander is ready for the task. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make your experience easy and fun.